SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to delete a calendar event on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Note that the steps that I perform in this video are meant for the default calendar app on the iPhone. If you use a third-party app, such as Google Calendar, then these steps may not apply. So with that in mind, if you have an event on your iPhone calendar that you would like to delete, then you can open the calendar app. Then you just need to find the event that you would like to delete, and you can either tap and hold on it and choose the delete option, or you can tap on the calendar event, then touch the delete event button at the bottom of the screen, and then you can tap delete event again to confirm that you want to remove it from the calendar. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.